Animals are more than just instinct-driven beings. Science increasingly reveals their remarkable cognitive abilities. Consider this: a crow, with its walnut-sized brain, can solve multi-step puzzles designed for human children. This challenges our assumptions about animal intelligence. Animals demonstrate problem-solving, tool use, and even self-awareness. For centuries, humans have underestimated the mental capacities of other species. We often view animals through a lens of instinct and simple learning. However, research in animal cognition is revealing a far more complex picture. Animals are not mere automatons. They are thinking, feeling beings with diverse cognitive skills. This essay explores the fascinating world of animal intelligence through specific experiments. We will delve into studies that showcase the cognitive prowess of various species. From crows to dolphins to primates, these experiments provide compelling evidence of the depth and breadth of animal intelligence. Crows are renowned for their intelligence. A classic experiment highlights their problem-solving abilities. Researchers presented crows with a puzzle involving a long tube partially filled with water. A tasty worm floated on the surface, out of reach of the crow's beak. The crows observed the situation carefully. They then proceeded to drop pebbles into the tube, one by one. The water level gradually rose, bringing the worm within reach. This demonstrated an understanding of cause and effect, as well as the ability to plan and execute a multi-step solution. This experiment is not an isolated case. Crows have been observed using tools in the wild, such as twigs, to extract insects from crevices. Their problem-solving skills and adaptability make them a prime example of avian intelligence. Dolphins are highly social and intelligent marine mammals. The mirror self-recognition test, long considered a hallmark of self-awareness, reveals their cognitive sophistication. In this test, a mark is placed on the animal's body in a location they cannot see without a mirror. Dolphins, when presented with a mirror, exhibit intriguing behavior. They spend time examining their reflection, turning and twisting to view the mark. This suggests an understanding that the reflection is a representation of themselves, not another individual. The ability to recognize oneself in a mirror is shared by only a handful of species, including humans, great apes, and elephants. This places dolphins in an elite group of self-aware animals, challenging our perceptions of consciousness beyond the primate lineage. Primates, our closest relatives, exhibit remarkable cognitive abilities. Sign language studies with chimpanzees, gorillas, and bonobos have provided profound insights into their communication skills. These apes have learned to communicate using hundreds of signs, expressing thoughts, feelings, and even complex ideas. One famous example is Coco, a gorilla who learned over 1,000 signs. Coco used sign language to communicate her needs, engage in conversations, and even express emotions like grief at the loss of a pet kitten. This demonstrated a level of linguistic complexity previously thought exclusive to humans. These studies challenge the notion of human language as unique. They suggest that the capacity for language, at least in its rudimentary form, may be present in other primate species. This has profound implications for our understanding of the evolution of language and communication. Elephants are renowned for their exceptional memory. Their social structure relies heavily on remembering individuals and past experiences. Field observations and experiments have demonstrated their remarkable ability to recall complex information over long periods. In one study, researchers tested elephants' memory of specific individuals. They presented elephants with recordings of calls from different elephants, some familiar and some unfamiliar. The elephants exhibited distinct responses, clearly recognizing the calls of individuals they had encountered years earlier. This exceptional memory capacity is essential for elephants' survival. They use it to navigate vast territories, remember food and water sources, and maintain social bonds within their complex herds. Their cognitive abilities highlight the importance of long-term memory in social animals. Dogs, our domesticated companions, possess a unique understanding of human communication. Through centuries of coevolution, dogs have developed an uncanny ability to read human cues, from facial expressions to gestures to vocal tones. This allows them to anticipate our actions and respond accordingly. Experiments have shown that dogs excel at following human pointing gestures, even when subtle. They can also understand human words, learning to associate specific words with objects or actions. This suggests a sophisticated form of interspecies communication. Dogs' cognitive abilities extend beyond understanding human cues. They exhibit problem-solving skills, such as finding hidden objects or navigating mazes. Their social intelligence allows them to cooperate with humans and other dogs, making them valuable partners in various tasks. Parrots are famed for their mimicry, but their cognitive abilities go far beyond mere imitation. Studies have revealed that parrots can understand the context of human speech, using words and phrases appropriately in different situations. This suggests a level of cognitive flexibility previously underestimated. One remarkable example is Alex, an African grey parrot who learned over 100 words. Alex could identify objects by name, understand concepts like color and shape, and even ask simple questions. His linguistic abilities challenge the traditional view of parrots as mindless mimics. Parrots' vocal learning is not simply rote memorization. They demonstrate an understanding of the symbolic nature of language, using vocalizations to communicate specific meanings. Their cognitive abilities shed light on the evolution of language and the potential for complex communication in non-primate species. Squirrels, despite their small size, exhibit impressive spatial memory. Their ability to cache nuts and retrieve them months later demonstrates a sophisticated understanding of their environment. Experiments have revealed the intricacies of their spatial cognition. Researchers have observed squirrels creating elaborate mental maps of their territories. They can remember the location of hundreds of buried nuts, even when covered by snow or leaves. This suggests a highly developed spatial memory system. Squirrels' spatial abilities are not limited to nut caching. They are adept at navigating complex environments, finding efficient routes through trees and avoiding obstacles. Their cognitive skills highlight the importance of spatial memory for survival in many species. Rats, often seen as pests, are surprisingly intelligent creatures. Their problem-solving abilities and adaptability make them valuable subjects in cognitive research. Experiments have revealed their capacity for learning, memory, and even empathy. In one study, rats were trained to navigate complex mazes. They learned to remember the correct paths and avoid dead ends, even when the maze configuration was changed. This demonstrated their ability to adapt to new challenges and adjust their strategies accordingly. Rats have also been shown to exhibit empathy. In one experiment, rats freed a trapped cage mate, even when offered chocolate as a distraction. This suggests a capacity for prosocial behavior, challenging the perception of rats as purely self-serving creatures. The animal kingdom is teeming with intelligent life, from crows solving puzzles to dolphins recognizing themselves in mirrors, to primates communicating through sign language. The diversity of cognitive abilities is astounding. These examples are just a glimpse into the vast spectrum of animal intelligence. As we delve deeper into animal cognition research, we continue to uncover surprising capabilities. Animals demonstrate problem-solving, tool use, social intelligence, and even self-awareness. These findings challenge our assumptions about the nature of intelligence and blur the lines between human and non-human minds. The study of animal intelligence is not just about satisfying our curiosity. It has profound implications for our understanding of evolution, consciousness, and the very definition of intelligence itself. By recognizing and appreciating the cognitive richness of the animal kingdom, we gain a deeper understanding of the natural world and our place within it.